On the record in calls number 325646, the state of Texas versus Michael Douglas Lamore. Mr. Lamore, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Lamore, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Lamore, you may put your hand down. How you doing, Mr. Lamore?
I'm trying to heal. I just came out of surgery.
Okay, well, we hope that you have a speedy recovery.
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay.
I'm trying to get back to work.
Okay, yeah, that's okay. We just, like I said, we hope you have a speedy recovery and that you can get back to work. All right. Now, Mr. Lamore, your case is on the court's announcement docket, and you're represented here by your attorney, Mr. Wright Kimler. Mr. Kimler, you have an announcement for the court?
I'll set it for trial, Your Honor.
Okay, reset for trial. Okay, Mr. Lamore, your case is going to be set on the court's trial docket, and you can stand over here in front of the court coordinator on the X. She'll give you your reset. Well, yeah, your attorney will get your reset, and you and your attorney be.
Your Honor, he has the intoxilizer installed in the vehicle, and we were asking the court to consider letting him remove that. It's imposing a financial hardship on him. He hasn't had any issues with it since it's been in
I
there.
think that the code provision requires that the court can, I guess, extend the time that he has installment, that he has it, and then his monthly installments can be reduced, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, he's got to pay them, you know.
Right now, I'm just saying that they can spread out
And I had to pay to have
the payments, if I'm not mistaken. I need to look into that. The court is not inclined to remove the interlock for that particular reason. I mean, the purpose of the interlock is the safety of the community. And so, with the safety of the community in mind, as a condition of his bond, the court is not going to remove the interlock, but the court can look into perhaps trying to look at.
I mean, if we cut you off there, obviously with the jury trial, there's no telling when we're going to have a jury trial. Actually, in the case, because of the COVID situation,
I understand.
so it could be potentially a couple of years that you're going to have this thing in there, depending on when we have a jury trial.
Well, I know, but the interlock is a condition of the bond, so as long as he's on bond, in order for the court to protect the public safety, it will remain as a condition of his bond.
What if we go into years before we have a jury
I don't,
trial?
well, I can't speculate on things. We just have to, I guess, take it on a day-by-day basis to see what happens with our COVID situation.
Well-
We have certain COVID protocols that's in place, and the court is obligated to adhere to those protocols that we have in place.
Yes, Your Honor, but at some point it becomes an issue of due process and right to a speedy trial. And
Okay, but I mean,
somebody's
it's-
going through pretrial, what amounts to punishment pretrial, then I think would violate due process if it goes into the extended.
well,
period.
I don't
We
think
haven't
that
had jury trials in almost a year now.
okay, the condition of bond is not the bond is not a punishment.
But if it amounts to that over the period of time, if this goes into over a year or so that he's had to have this, he
Well-
might as well, if he would have been on probation, he would have had the interlock device in a year's time. I don't know, it just seems to me that it's getting to the point where.
Yeah, I mean, I understand what you're saying, but we have to bear in mind that we are under this pandemic. The court is aware of that, but in terms of speculating how long it's gonna last, I mean, I don't know. But getting back to the bond conditions that's in place, the court, let's see. 17. Yeah, pursuant to 17.15, the Code of Criminal Procedure, rules for fixing amounts of bail, and then at number 5, the future safety of the victim that's alleged, and the community shall be considered. And so that is, the court also, could you give me my bond conditions up there? And the court has authority to set bond conditions to ensure that the community safety is in consideration, is considered. So I think that's the reason why that those bond conditions are in place. Okay. So, but as I said earlier, we can look at see if there's some kind of ways to offset his financial obligation. And I just need to take some time to look at the code, because I obviously you just threw it on the court, and the court wasn't prepared to address that. But once I look at the code and see what the court can do in terms of lessening the burden, the financial burden that he has, we'll see what we can do with regards to that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, just stand over here on the X. Oh, it's a little something. Oh, here it is, right here, interlock. Okay, required to print up change around. Yeah, say to the community. Okay. What, oh, they need, Mr. Freeman,
Yes, sir.
what's your client's name? Brandon,
Brandon, Roberts.
Robertson. Could you look up, let me see, that was from Wednesday. I think. Rob,
It was set for a bench trial, Wednesday.
3 through 6.
Hold on.
What's his first name?
Brandon.
Brandon. Brandon.
Robertson?
Oh,
Oh,
Roberson, R-O-B-E-R, that's the name.
was it?
it was set on, hold on a minute, let me see, I can give you a cross number.
What's his date of birth?
Roberts.
Oh, it's Robertson, yeah.
Roberson?
Yeah, it's 326234.
Okay. What's his date of birth?